I'm trying to play by the rules. I would show y'all my pan of food, but I done put the trash in here, and that's not too appetizing. I'm already making zoo sounds. Y'all don't y'all don't want to see that too. My nose. Sorry, y'all. My eye running. And thank God my nose ain't running. I'm just picking out all the meat. My face running. It's a lot of seasoning, and I got it the hottest. This is the hot. This is the hottest spice. I'm not gonna choke, Miss Bella. Can y'all please keep it down? I'm trying to be nice and gentle parent. But listen. Oh, holy. It's hot. And my chili stuff, I always get hot. Every time I go. I'm gonna have to say, I'm sorry, hold on. I'm gonna have to make 3 parts to this call. Now, this is what I'm finna do. I'm finna give y'all a bite, okay? I'm finna give y'all a bite. It ain't Sunday no more, so if you lie, I'm finna still give you a bite. Ooh, I'm dropping it on my child's stuff. You got it? You tasted it? It's good? It's good? Now you choking. We gonna choke together, friend. I rebuke me for both of us. Oh, excuse me. Who keep burping? Hold on the camera. Nice meeting you too, Miss Bella. The ghost. I'm gonna make sure I follow you. As a matter of fact, thank you for